So it's Sunday morning, and we're at Warsaw Central Station, headed to Krakow. So our train's at 9:40. We just had some coffee and sandwiches to get the day going, and to recover from an evening of libations, shall we say? And you know, I meant to tell you a couple of things along the way, just like generic Poland-related stuff.
Pociąg ekspresji Intercity Train piąty, peronie pierwszy, wagony o numerach 6 pierwszy, wagony o numerach 4, 3, 2.
The longest announcement ever. So a couple of generic Poland informational things I meant to pass along earlier. Poland's part of the EU, but they don't use the euro. They use zloty, which we've already discussed. And like basically a dollar is 4 zloty. And a couple of good words to know. Dzień dobry is a very good phrase to know. It means good day, hello. You use it all the time. First thing everybody says to you when you walk into a store or any other place. So dzień dobry is good to know. And dziękuję is thank you, which I think it's good to know. I think it's good to be polite when you go to other countries. So next stop, Krakow. So we'll jump on the train, 2 hours, we'll be there, and then we'll check out our new Airbnb. Oh, and then I meant to tell you, that was the other thing I forgot to mention. The total cost for the Airbnb in Warsaw was it was $70 a night total when you take into account cleaning fees and everything. The total, it was like $210 for 3 nights, which I think is good value considering the location and everything. So let's go get the train. So, just wanted to briefly talk while we wait for our train about how train travel typically works in Europe. And I don't care how much this woman talks on this announcement, I'm just going to keep going. So, more often than not, you get seat reservations when you buy your tickets. It'll tell you what car you're in and then what seats, obviously. And then what you do is when you get down to the platform, there's usually a train diagram someplace on the platform where you can find a diagram of the full train, and it tells you, it'll show you, depending on the direction it's going in, where your car is and what portion of the platform your car is going to stop on. So we're in Sector 2, because we're trusting that map is right. So
and the right train is coming.
And that it's the right train. So it's an intercity train, and I believe it's non-stop, or it may make one stop somewhere. So we'll show you what the train's like when we get on, all right? See you in a little while. So we've arrived in Krakow, and our train got in 20 minutes late.
Yes.
Just kind of lingering outside of the city. And Then we came downstairs to get the tram, and buying tram tickets
That was a project.
it was using the worst software ever created for a ticket machine.
Yeah.
Like if you didn't know to swipe up and
Or
how to pick things besides like a one-ride card, you'd be sitting there for an hour. So I think it took us 3 attempts before we got all the presses right.
yeah.
But so we're done, and we're just waiting for our tram now. Oh my good gracious. Cardiac patients do not stay on the 3rd floor.
It's all stairs.
3 flights. Narrow wooden stairs.
Welcome.
And here we are.
So this is the Krakow apartment. This is the bathroom. Actually, this bathroom is 10 times better than the one in Warsaw.
Yeah.
It's more spacious, and it has more cabinet. You see down there, we can put our stuff. We didn't have none of that.
Yeah. There's actually storage space, and we'll actually fit in there.
Yes. And then this is where they have the heater,
I think that's the water heater.
the water heater. And then this is the kitchenette, which is actually very nice. Has a built-in microwave. Nice fridge.
There's a garbage can.
Garbage can. A pan.
A pot. Oh, just a pan.
Just a pan. Apparently they don't have, unless the pots are here. Yeah, no.
Check the bottom one. There you go.
Because they always give that. A toaster, that's nice. A kettle. Oh, no coffee machine. Oh,
French press.
French press.
Because we're just so good at that.
That's easy. I can do French press. This is the living room. It's actually nice and spacious. And then we're going to go to the loft where our bedroom is. And actually where we have a terrace.
Apparently no washing machine.
But no washing machine. So this is the bedroom. Yeah, I look comfy.
The Alba mattress test.
And then
Air conditioning if you need it.
there we go. Careful. Oh, this is beautiful.
Can't see anything, but it's
But it's nice. It's
outdoors.
a terrace. Yeah. You can imagine this in the summer. I mean, right now it's nice and cool. But in the summer when you can actually have a meal out here.
Let me know what's up there. From the apartment.
It's gonna have in Venice. Remember Venice?
Yeah.
The buildings are so narrow. Like the stairs.
And like I mentioned, the hallway smells like pizza. This is delicious. Just in time.
I know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love you. You recording?
So we finally got out of the apartment, and we had almost forgotten how bad it is dragging suitcases over cobblestones until we got to Krakow.
We got here. It reminded us.
I mean, it's like, probably like a half a mile we had to walk, if that. But all on cobblestones and uneven streets. So it was torture. And then we got to carry the bags up the 3 flights of stairs.
Oh my Lord. Yeah.
So
I forgot that apartment didn't have an elevator. It was all stairs.
But we got in. We had lunch at the pizzeria that's in the downstairs of the Airbnb. So the whole place, like I said, smells like pizza.
Yes,
it's delicious. And the pizza wasn't bad either. You know, for a Polish pizza.
That was good.
It was good.
Yeah.
So we figure it's like later in the afternoon. So we're just going to go. We're going to get our supplies at the supermarket.
Yes, we'll show you the supermarket when we get there.
And we wanted to go to this big, huge supermarket, but it's closed on Sunday. So if we have time, we might go tomorrow. But we'll see how that goes. So, and there's a lot of people here. I feel more touristy here than it was in Warsaw.
It is. I think it is. I think Krakow is more touristy than Warsaw.
Yeah, the streets are packed.
Yeah.
So, but let's keep walking.
Yes.
Around a bit. We went back to the apartment, put our feet up for a while. Some of us took a nap. And now we're headed to a restaurant that specializes in roasted pig knuckle. So we're looking forward to it. We have a 7 o'clock reservation. We missed the last tram, so the next tram is 3 minutes to 7. But the good news is it's 3 stops, and it should take us all of 5 minutes. So we're at a restaurant called Golonkarnia, and the specialty here is roasted pork knuckle
with crispy skin, and it's a family recipe. Small intimate place. I think probably like 10 people can fit here on a norm, right? Can you say 15
2,
people?
4, 6, 7, maybe 20 people.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe 20 people fit. So make reservations if you're coming, because I wouldn't recommend you coming here with no reservation during the week or a Friday and a Saturday. Forget about it. Friday and Saturday, you definitely
you're definitely going to need a reservation. We'll put the details in the description. We got the pork knuckle, fresh out of the oven, out of the wood-fired oven, which is absolutely delicious. We've got horseradish, we've got pickles, mustard,
bread,
quarter of a loaf of bread, I believe,
pumpernickel, I think it is,
and French fries, which we ordered. Just kind of round everything out, and everything goes with beer. So we've got this great Polish beer. Mm-hmm. So Alba's going to cut that up, right?
No, I'm not.
Oh my.
Look how tender it is. Wow. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's very good.
This pork knuckle is on point. The skin is like nice and crispy. Yes, this horseradish is like old school horseradish, the way my grandmother used to put it on the table. The pickles are sour pickles. They're delicious. The rye bread is good. Even the French fries. You can't complain about French fries. Everything with the beer. I'm good to go here.
And we're back.
Finished our stair climb for the hour. So we are done for the day. The restaurant, for the pork knuckle, there was probably enough food there for 3 or 4 people.
Yeah. I mean, it was meant for 2 to help, people that like to eat a lot. I don't eat a lot. And John, he ain't gonna eat the whole thing. But we did a good damage on it.
Yeah, we put a big dent in it.
Yeah.
So you get the pork knuckle, the pickles, the bread, mustard and horseradish. We got an order of French fries added on. We had
2 beers.
2 beers, and it came out to 115 zloty.
Which is...
So by my math, that was right around $30.
Yeah, well, last night was 20.
It was 28, I think.
Something like that.
28 or 29 bucks. 115 divided by 4 give you kind of a ballpark idea. Where are you going to do that?
No, the food is very good. It's a simple place. It's a small place. It looks like he runs the back. His wife runs the front. I think he has an assistant in the back, maybe. And that's it. Because it's small, she can, it's easy for her to manage it.
Yeah.
And then he does the back. Simple menu. It's all about pork knuckles.
It's all about pork knuckle.
He has different varieties, forms, and shapes and sizes. And then the sides. And that's it, right? The rest is drinks.
It.
But the whole restaurant is meant about that. So it was good. If you ever come, definitely visit it.
Easy to get to from Old Town.
Yes.
It was 3 stops on the #1 tram. Takes you like less than 10 minutes to get there.
Yeah.
And you can't go wrong.
Mm-mm.
So that being said, we're going to wrap up for today. Our first day in Krakow. And tomorrow, we're going to see what we see. All right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.